Alright, so here's my kitchen light. I installed the TP-Link Wi-Fi light switch into my kitchen here. It works with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa. Not that I use Amazon. It's not super hard to install. I've had a couple switches in my life, so it's not that weird. Anyways, that's the box it came in. And here's the switch. And there's the light, a little fluorescent lamp above the... Yeah, there's a nest over here. Anyway, so all you gotta do is push the button. It's just the bottom button. There's no flipping a switch, no rocking a switch. It's just bottom button. And it's nice because, I mean, in the nighttime it turns this little LED on here. And it's also controllable by the app. But mostly what I'm interested in is the fact that I can continue to use the light switch if needed, or tell Google to do it for me, or just do it from the app. Mostly it's from Google, but now my wife doesn't have to worry about whether or not the switch is still switchable because it's right there and you can still talk to it. So my biggest thing is in my kitchen, which if I show you here, looks like this. I've got, it's not small, I've got the garage door there and the Nest app, or Nest thermostat there, but the biggest problem I have is it's on the other side of the kitchen. Now when you're coming in, no problem, you turn the light on. Don't mind that at all. But from anywhere else in the house, it's kind of far away. I kind of wish there was a switch over here, but that switch is for the light, the stairs. And then there's just this, there's no switches on it, it's just power outlet. So if I'm anywhere else, coming in the door here, the switch is all the way on the kitchen. It's just dumb. I wish they'd put one like right here next to the fireplace. Or, you know, right over there next to the hall. It's just, what can you ask for? Anyways, you not gonna say anything, Beeb? No? Okay.